Friday night, time to make supper. Tonight we're gonna have bacon cheeseburgers. Normally on Friday nights, me and Titus go out to eat and the kids have pizza and movie night here. That's how we've been doing it the past several months, I guess. But they're working on something out there this evening, so we're gonna be here and we're having bacon cheeseburgers. I'm kind of doing a copycat of the Flamethrower from Dairy Queen. And y'all, I don't know if it's still this price, but this pack of 12 beef, I think it's ground chuck hamburger patties was only like $19, maybe a little bit of change from Walmart, which made it cheaper than if you bought a big pack of ground chuck and made your own patties. It was a better deal. So I just want to let y'all know that in case it is still that price. Big plus, they're already formed for you and it's cheaper than the pack. Normally that's why I make my own hamburger patties, because it's cheaper to get the pack and do it yourself, but this was a good deal. I think I'm going to do the bacon over there, and we'll do the patties here, and then we can put more patties when the bacon gets done. I'm going to put my apron on. Oh, look, somebody meal planned. Was that you or Jonah? I think it must have been Jonah. I don't even have to meal plan. We're having food every night. I already have the skillets heating up, so they're ready to go for us. The sun finally came out today, y'all. It was raining earlier. But then I saw sunlight shining through the window and I was like, what is that? It's beautiful. We're supposed to have sunshine all day tomorrow. I'm gonna be cleaning the Blackstone. I was gonna go out there and do it today to make these bacon cheeseburgers, but it's still so sloppy and wet out there. So I was like, we'll save it for tomorrow. But we're gonna get it all cleaned up because it's time to bring out the Blackstone. I mean, it's already out, but you know, get out there with the Blackstone. Getting cloudy again.
Is that bacon?
Yep, it is.
Oh.
Now, I'm sorry this is kind of loud. They don't have Dairy Queen sauces yet in store. I'm not sure if Dairy Queen's gonna do that or not, but I did see that Ingles has Zaxby's sauce now. I'm not sure if Walmart's carrying that yet, but Ingles did have the Zax sauce from Zaxby's. Y'all know that's one of our favorites. We've been making homemade Zax sauce for a long time, and Walmart got that chicken dipping sauce that's similar to it. We got some from Aldi the other day that I think is kind of like it. We haven't tried it yet. But anyway, the Flamethrower from Dairy Queen has their buffalo sauce on it, and y'all, they have the best buffalo sauce of anywhere I've ever gotten buffalo sauce from. It's the best. But since we didn't have that, I got Chick-fil-A's Zesty Buffalo. Our Chick-fil-A is under like some kind of remodel or something right now. I'm not exactly sure what they're doing, but they haven't been open for a little while. I don't know when they're gonna open back up. That's a hot honey barbecue sauce.
Well, it's time to put it on the sandwich.
See, on the Blackstone, I could be making all of this at one time, the patties and the bacon. That's why I'm very ready to get it cleaned up and ready to go. I'm probably gonna have to do a fresh seasoning on it, so when I do that tomorrow, I'll show it to y'all. It's been covered, you know, all winter long, but with the wind blowing and stuff out there, stuff still gets in there and we'll need to clean it really good. We tried the Berman's Hot Honey barbecue sauce. I'm still cooking the patties, but everybody's going ahead and grabbing their burgers as I'm cooking, so it's already gotten a little messy over here. But we tried this Berman's Hot Honey barbecue sauce that I got from Aldi. So y'all remember when I got it, I told y'all that the Kinder's Honey Hot, they call it Honey Hot barbecue sauce, was my favorite ever. This is taking its place. It is very, very good. I still like the Kinder's kind, but this, to me, it's a little bit better. You like it too? It's not, that's what I was about to say. It's not really hot. I know it's called hot honey, but it's not. It's kind of just like a sweet barbecue sauce. Kind of like a Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. That's kind of what it reminds me of, but better. Oh my goodness, it comes out so fast. Be careful with that Chick-fil-A buffalo sauce. It comes out quick. There we go. I'm about to answer the #1 question. Why don't we use the dishwasher? It doesn't work. It has some kind of something, I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with it, but it doesn't work. And I've always washed dishes by hand my entire life, so it never really mattered to me that the dishwasher didn't work. I even forget that it's here, except for what I do use it for. What do we use it for, Manny? What's inside there? Christmas and fall, Thanksgiving, Easter, dishes and stuff. That's what's in there. I use it to store all the seasonal bakeware and dishes and other things. Like, what is this one? Oh, it's Christmas, ho ho ho. But yeah, that's what I use it for. Eventually, we're gonna remove the dishwasher because, you know, I'm used to washing by hand. I don't mind washing by hand. I would rather have more storage space here. So eventually we're gonna remove this. This is the plan. It was actually the plan back when we did the whole kitchen remodel. We were gonna remove the dishwasher and these doors right here and hang curtains. Y'all have seen that look. It's, you know, it looks really old-timey, old-fashioned style with the curtain right there, a little curtain there and all. So yeah, that's the plan, but it hadn't happened yet. But when it does happen, that's, you know, I'll still have storage space here. I don't know if I'll keep the seasonal things here. I'm thinking I'll keep my iron skillets, pots, pans, and stuff like that right here. Maybe, we'll see. But for now, yeah, it's Christmas and Thanksgiving and all that kind of stuff in here all year long. It's a shame we can't grow watermelons because we go through 5 a week.
We eat a bunch of them.
Not really 5, but a lot, for real.
This one's too light right here.
I hate the
Too
light
light.
ones.
Sometimes they'll fool you though. I don't know about the non-seeded.
He likes seeded better, but y'all,
I
that
like
last one
seeded.
we had so many seeds. It's like more seeds than watermelon.
I eat the seeds.
He does. And I told him he's gonna have watermelons.
They're good for you.
Did people tell you that when you were a kid?
I've
That if
heard
you
that.
swallowed watermelon seeds, they would grow watermelons in your stomach? It's not true.
No, honey.
Nobody
do
fears.
it,
Honey buns?
Folks, what's wrong on this?
It's not bad.
You know how you can be wrong about people sometimes? Like my school teachers was wrong about me. I meet some of my school teachers from 3rd, 4th, 5th grade back in them days. They misread me just like I misread that watermelon.
I just now ate a seed.
Man, that thing ain't bad.
I'm loving these now again. I never knew this, but I like seeds and watermelons. They don't got any flavor. There's a big mosquito flying around and I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's outside. B is for
buck.
Buckaroo. B is for Buckaroo, who's a cowboy through and through. Those bronco busters you'll often see riding on horseback yelling, whoopee. Chuck wagon starts with the letter C. It's the place where cowboys like to be, to enjoy tasty victuals and a cup of coffee and tell tall tales out on the prairie. Hats are our letter H, keeping off the sun, rain, and snow. With a tall crown and wide brim, they sure do make a show. Who's that?
Daddy.
Iron starts with the letter I, white hot from the fire. An iron horseshoe and iron brand the blacksmith forges by hand. Annie Oakley is the letter O, the star of Buffalo Bill's Wild West show. Little Sure Shot was her nickname. Her sharp shooting brought her fame.
This is one.
Oh, this
He's
is the one you
running
like.
a tornado.
Yeah. Pecos Bill starts with the letter P. The original cowboy legend was he. He rode a cyclone without a saddle and sang songs to quiet the cattle. S stands for saddle with a horn cinching cantle. It's a throne on a horse for a cowboy, of course.